I will do the pin feathers. You need a nail trim again. Nails have become very pointy. You'll hurt yourself. Be careful around the neck area. Very pointy nails those are. Got deadly claws. Tweety is an eagle. Deadly claws. Oh man, such sharp claws you got. What are you doing? Yawny, yawny. Yawny, yawny. Feeling sleepy. It's only 5 o'clock in the evening. You're not sleepy now. It's your dinner time. Not to do. Dinner time and then sleepy time. Now it's my cuddly time. Oh, I don't like the camera. I hate the camera. Why the camera is in between? Wait, don't attack. What happened? From cuddly mode you go to attack mode. No. Calm down, it's okay. It's alright. I'm here with you. It's okay. Got angry. Got angry too. You're my angry bird. Look, your beaky is all green. You had your leafy veggies today. Good bird. Good bird. Should have your greens. Should have your veggies. Should have your fruits. Then only you'll be a healthy bird. Oh, sneezy. Bless you. What was that? What was that? Give me a footsie. Give me a footsie, Tweety.